How to earn interest on Nexo quick and easy. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can get started with the Nexo application and earn interest on your crypto holdings. So let's get into it. Now, Nexo is a platform that enables you to store and trade your crypto tokens, and they also have a earning interest program. So if you head on over to nexo.io and you just go into their product section over here, you can click on earn interest. Now, you can get daily compounding interest on your crypto token. So you can take any of your idle assets. So for example, if I go into my MetaMask or Phantom wallet over here, and let's say that I just go on ahead and I'm using MetaMask to store my crypto, or I'm using Phantom wallet to store my crypto. Instead of just holding it over there, instead I can go on ahead and put it in my Nexo wallet, and I can earn up to 16% on the tokens without having to do staking or yield farming, any of that sort. So you will get a interest rate and it will be paid out daily, so you don't have to wait for a number of days like you would in staking. Like you have to wait for 30, 60, 120, or a variable number of days to be able to earn your rewards. That is not the case with Nexo. You can simply submit your tokens and then earn as you go per day. So there are different tiers to earning on the Nexo platform. First off, they have different loyalty tiers, and you can see over here, then that means that Nexo is less than 1% of your portfolio, and you can take a look at the read more section and take a look at the different benefits of different rewards. So first off, we have the different platforms. The base version is the one that you will create your account on. It is 0 to 1% of Nexo tokens in your portfolio, where you can earn upwards of 12% interest on crypto. Then you have the silver version, where you have 1 to 5% of Nexo tokens in your portfolio, where you can earn upwards of 12.5% interest. Then you have the gold version, or the gold loyalty tier. You have 5 to 10% Nexo tokens in your portfolio, and you can earn up to 14% on your crypto. And then you have the platinum version, where you can get 0.05 in crypto rewards, so you can get direct rewards as well. Plus you can earn upwards of 16% on your crypto. So you can also swap your rewards for crypto, and with the platinum version you can get 0.50% of your rewards back in your crypto token. So that is a amazing benefit of using the Nexo wallet. Plus you also have things like borrow discounts. So on the platinum version, you don't have to pay any kind of borrowing rate, and you also get card rewards and free withdrawals with the different loyalty tiers that Nexo has. Now, to get started with earning interest, just go into the product section and go click on earn interest. Once you click on that, you will be able to see it says start earning over here. So you will just click on that over here, and this will show the new account section. So if you previously have never created a Nexo wallet, you will simply go on ahead and enter a suitable email address and password. And you can just click on create account over here. It will give you a verification puzzle to solve, and you can just validate that puzzle, and once you do that, you will be let to your account. I already have an account, so I will just register or log on to my account. Now you can see over here I have logged on to my account, and this is my basic dashboard. Now on the top you will see your navigation panel. So you have your dashboard, you have your markets, and you have your exchange as well, where you can convert, swap your crypto. You also have trading with leverage and the Nexo Pro version, where they have advanced trading. And then you have the transaction section, where you can monitor all of your transactions. Now, to get started with earning interest on your Nexo wallet, you can go on ahead and click on your account over here, and you can go on ahead and take a look at your profile. You need to make sure you've completed personal information and loyalty and identity verification to get started. Then you will click on the loyalty levels on the left side of your screen, and that is where you can begin earning rewards on your crypto tokens. So you can see they have a 4-tier program. Currently we are on the base version, and these are the basic benefits. So you can go on ahead and take a look at the earn benefits, which is the interest rate. So I get a 4% interest rate on crypto and fiat currencies, and on Nexo tokens as well. And I will be earning 0% in Nexo tokens bonus, but I will get a 8% interest on stable coins. Then I have the silver version, and if you want to move on to the next version, you can click on upgrade over here, and you just have to complete identity verification and do a couple of steps to get started to complete your ID verification. Now, if for identity verification, you can simply upload a photo of your ID card or driver's license to get verified within around 48 hours to complete identity verification. And then you'll be able to see that you can see with earning benefits, you get 0.25% in Nexo bonus. So that is the Nexo bonus you get, which is Nexo tokens. And then you also will get a 4.25% on interest rate on your cryptocurrencies, fiat currencies, and 4% on the Nexo token, plus 8.25 on your fiat currency. Then on the gold version, you also have a varying rate where you get 4.5 in your cryptocurrency interest rates, and then 5% on the platinum version. And this is how simple and easy it is to continue with earning money on the Nexo platform. Now, whenever you upgrade your loyalty program on Nexo, you'll be able to pay less with their premium rate. So you're saving money. Although you are storing most of your money on Nexo, you are still getting quite a few different kinds of benefits. And it's kind of like having a benefit on your credit card. You get free rewards on your credit card. So that is why it is so helpful to use the Nexo platform. Now you can see 0% of your portfolio is in Nexo tokens. And the more of your portfolio you convert into Nexo tokens, the more loyalty rewards that you can earn and the higher interest rates that you can unlock with the Nexo platform. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and you're now able to get started with Nexo. Nexo not only offers you to earn interest, but also to borrow with a 0% APR, exchange between a bunch of different market pairs, and you also have multiple different things such as Nexo cards and instant purchase power with your credit or debit card. So you can use your credit or debit card to purchase the token of your choice as you go. So you can purchase any token from anywhere with your credit or debit card. Plus, you can borrow up to 3 times the collateral of your token. So let's say you have 5 ETH, you can borrow 10 ETH against your 5 ETH and use that to trade as well with the Nexo Grow booster. So that is another amazing function that can enable you to diversify or expand your crypto portfolio. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to follow along with these methods and techniques that I showed in this video. And if you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And it might help you guys a lot to know all of these techniques and to follow along. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible, because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And if you have any details that you might want to know, any suggestions, any improvements that you think that I could add on to these videos, then please do leave them in the comment box down below and I will make future videos according to those. And if you have any specific topics that you look forward to, also leave those in the comment box down below and I will try to make videos on those as well. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.